Still checking the broken links manually? Stop wasting your time. How to handle broken links in Playwright with Python. Every website contains multiple links. Some works perfectly, but others return errors like 404, 500, like that. Instead of clicking each link manually, Playwright can verify every link automatically. Hey everyone, welcome back to QA to AI journey. Let me share my screen and explain the concept. Let me open Visual Studio Code and here let me take a new file. So my plan is to verify broken links, right? So I can use broken links.py. My plan is to take a class here. So if you want to take a class, what is needed? We need import statement and also we have to create the class. So let me copy paste that since we already know this. So this is the import statement. Created a class and verify broken links. And then what is this? This is what the constructor is. Now, so here my plan is to create a method. So def broken links. And here my plan is to use the URL. So to test this particular broken links, my plan is to use this URL. practiceautomation.com. So here broken links is there. So this is also another application. Okay, so like this, here also we have so many things to test. And in this, my plan is to take broken links. This one. Let's take this URL. And here you have a broken link. When you click it, so broken link is nothing but, you will get like this. Oops, the link got broke or something like this, you will get it. Understood? And also in this particular page, we have other links which are working. Okay, this is working. And also we have learn more about, all these are working. We're getting it. So now my plan is to test this particular broken link. How you will do it? See, in the previous video, what we have seen is we have taken all the links and clicked on each and every link and check whether it is working or not. That is one way of testing it, but it will consume lots of time. Clicking on each and every link on the page, why? Because page contains multiple links. Clicking on all the links will take lots of time. Instead of that, do we have any other alternative approach? Yes, we have it. That we will see now. Okay, now let me open my Visual Studio Code. So what is this URL? Let's take this URL and I want to use this. self.page.goto, and here my plan is to use this URL. Okay, so after opening this URL, what's our plan? So here also we have to collect all these links which are there in this particular page. So how you will capture all the links which are available in this page? Previously we have seen. After opening this particular URL, then what's our plan? See, here also it is the same. We have to take all the links. In the previous video, we have seen that how to take all the links. This is what we have seen in the previous video, printing all the links. So here you have to use the command called self.page.locator anchor tag. So anchor tag means you are capturing all the anchor tags which are there in this page. So link means anchor tag. Any link, if you right click, inspect, so it is nothing but anchor tag. Anchor tag. So in this page, my plan is to collect all the anchor tags. So how you will do that? Self.page.locator. So what is that locator? So within the double quotes, you can give A. So you are taking all these into one variable. So I can give links. So now after taking all these links, my plan is to print how many links are there. I want that count. Okay, so print total links. Okay, the links are links.count means you will get how many are there. And in this link, so what is that you want to take? If you want to print all the links display names, so how you did it? previously. So you have taken a for loop for one variable name in range, means I want to go until the count of all the links, means I want to go until all the links. Then my plan is to print this variable nth name, means index of inner text. So previously you have taken inner text, whereas now you have to use get attribute. Okay, my plan is to take the attribute. See, right click, inspect. If you want to take this text means which is not within this tag, less than greater than symbol is there, right? So if it is not within this less than greater than symbol, if something is not available within that greater than less than symbol, that we will call it as text. Something which is there between this tag, means this less than, and in the end you have this greater than symbol, right? Between this, if something you want to take, that we will call it as attribute. So my plan is to take this href attribute. Get attribute of href you can give. If you want to take this underscore blank, so this is available in target attribute. So get attribute of target means you will get this. Get attribute of rel means you will get this one. So within the tag value, if you want to take anything, that we will call it as attribute. Outside of the tag, we will call it as text or inner text. Are you getting it, guys? So now my plan is to go here and take a for loop for name. You can take any variable name in range. I want to go up till, means until this particular all the links. Then after this, so what's our plan? So my plan is to take href. My plan is to take, means I want all the links, right? So I am taking some href equals to, href is nothing but some variable. Links, it's here. Links dot nth name means index of get attribute. So what attribute you want to take? I want this href attribute. So what is that? Nothing but this link. I want this value. So href you want to use it. If you want underscore blank, I want it, sir. Then get attribute of target you have to take. Let's see this here. Href. And after that, what's our plan? So my plan is to print that href. So print href link is. Okay, my plan is to print that href link is. And run it, we will see whether it is working or not. So if you want to run it, so how to run that? You have to create a test method. Okay, you have to create def test underscore, you can give some name, verify broken links, something like this I can give, or verify any name. Okay, verify broken links or test underscore broken links, like this, any name you can give. So verify broken links, any name you can give. So test underscore broken underscore links, still you can give whatever the name you want it. Then so what is that you did here? Links equals to, okay, my plan is to create the object for this. So how you will create an object? So you can take some reference name, any name. So already links variable you have given, right? So my plan is to use verify broken links only, equals to broken links of that page. Verify broken links, I have given some name. So here you have to give this class name. Yeah, so generally we have to show some difference. So here you can give some capital letter, verify broken links. Yeah, the same name you can give here. Clear? And you have taken this particular object into some variable. With the help of that variable you are calling. Okay, broken links you are calling. Let's run it, we will see whether it is running or not. So first, what is that? You want to just print that links, means print that hrefs. So what is there in that href, we will see now. So Pytest test underscore, so yours is available under test broken links dot py hyphen headed. Let's run it. Is it printed your value? No, it didn't print it. So what to do? If you want to print any print statement by using Pytest, you have to use -s. Then run it. This time it should. Is it printed? href link is main and all it printed. So if you observe this, what is that it printed? It printed all the href. Okay, so what is this href? So href is nothing but, so right click, inspect. So href is nothing but this link. Okay, so href, whatever is there in that, it printed it. Are you getting it, guys? So it printed this href. For example, my plan is to print, so previously I said, right? So any attribute, if you want to print, say for example, my plan is to print this underscore blank is there, right? So I want to print this target, or I want to print this rel. So how you will do it? Simple, get attribute of, so here get attribute of target means you will get the value which is available under this target attribute. Okay, if you want to get text, then how to get the text? So last time we have seen inner text. Dot inner text means you will get the display name of that particular link or field, whatever it is. Okay, so in this case you have taken anchor tags, right? So it's a link. Now let's run it and see. So what is that it is printing when you have given target here? Okay, so some fields doesn't have anything, so that is the reason it printed none, but some fields are having underscore blank is there. I have just shown you, right? Underscore blank is there. For this field we have underscore blank, this one, that is the reason it printed. Whereas for this, do you have anything? Target is not there. Target is not there. So that is the reason it printed none. So generally, so if you take any tag, you will be having two things. One is within the less than greater than symbol, means within the tag, that you will call it as attribute. Outside of the tag, text. Based on inner text, you can get the text. If you want to take any attribute, you can use get attribute. Clear? So now my plan is to here take href. Okay, my plan is to take href, means I want that link. Okay, that link is working or not, we have to see it. Understood? So now here, whether you observed or not, it printed links. So which is started with this HTTPS is a link. But apart from that, it printed some main with hash symbol and something which is started with, these are not actual URL. So I don't want this to be printed. I want to print the actual URLs of that link. Okay, means I don't want to print this main, body and broken links. So I want to print that actual URL. So what to do? So here, if it is not href, okay, if it is not href, then my plan is to continue it. Means it should not stop. Means I don't want to take anything. In the same way, if href starts with hash, okay, means I don't want to print this. So if it is starting with hash, or if href is starting with mailto is not there here, if at all, if it is there, that will also, it will avoid. Or if it is started with JavaScript, if you want to avoid, that also you can do it. Or my plan is to give only this slash, which started with slash, I want to avoid that as well. Are you getting it? So if it is not href, then continue it, means don't break it. If it is starting with hash or mailto or something started with slash. I don't want to perform anything, just continue it. Then what is that you want to do means, my plan is to take, okay, so all these hrefs into another variable. Okay, all these hrefs into one variable I want to take it. Are you getting it, guys? So you have hrefs. And now what's our plan? My plan is to iterate one after other. Okay, let's first click on this first one. Click in the sense, check whether it is broken link or not. First one I have to check, second one I have to check, third one. So like this, I need to iterate for all the links. So what to do? So I have taken one variable, something like this, response self dot page dot request dot get of href, means each link we are passing here and that response we are taking into this variable. Now let's print that response here. So I want to print that response. I am printing that response. This href status or response status. Response status. Okay, you are printing it. Now let's run it. We'll see what is that we are getting. So clear. Yeah, let's run it. So first thing, so total you are having, how many links are there? Total 11 links are there. And after that, what are those 11 links you are printing? So that is the reason you have printed this link is, and then that link you are checking, means self dot, this is more important, guys. So your, whatever the link you are having, that link you are passing to this get command and taking the response. Okay, so that if it is 200, so here the status code 200 we got it. So 200 means the page is fine, absolutely fine. And if you are getting 400, 404, 504, means which is more than 400, okay, that's a broken link. So here, previously I have shown, there is one broken link here. If you see this 404, okay, it's a broken link. Then, so here what to do? If, just my plan is to put a condition. If it is 200, the link is, it's not a broken link. If it is 400, yes, it's a broken link. Like that, I want to put some condition. If this response dot status code is greater than 400, then what's our plan? It's a broken link. Else, link is working fine. This link is working fine. Are you getting it? So what to do? Other print statement, just I am removing. Unnecessarily it confuses, right? All these not required. So I want only this condition. See, if condition for loop in the previous video we have already seen. Okay, the same I am using it. Okay. Let's run it. See here, all are working except one broken link. Are you getting it, guys? Okay. See, here, what is more important to you is this one. So you can pass any URL into this get method and you can take the status. This status codes 200, okay, 300 status, 400 status, 500, these we have not seen yet. When we start API testing, at that time you will get more clarity. For now, broken link means if it is more than 400, 404, 505, these we will call it as a broken links. So if it is more than 400, that we can call it as a broken link. Understood? Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, like this video and share your journey in the comments. Until next time, keep learning, keep automating and enjoy your QA to AI journey. See you in the next video.